Child, summer is right around the corner. Follow these tips and get your skin right. So let's talk right into it. I'm starting off with my CeraVe Hydro Facial Cleaner. I have dry skin, so I use anything I can to keep it moisturized. Take time to learn your skin and what works for you. Figure out what it likes and what it don't like. I use CeraVe as a base cleaner, so I just wash it with clean hands and then I rinse it off afterwards. But the key to a good facial routine is water. Stay hydrated. Amazon sells the best disposable towelettes for your face, but you know your girl out, so I got a towel. Now we're going to use the Panazzo Facial Foam Wash. The 10% benzoyl peroxide helps fight acne as well as unclog your pores. A true gem is actually washing your face for a few minutes with absolutely no water, just product. This allows the product and the chemicals in it to actually break down and do the job it's supposed to do. With the facial sprinter brush, I try to really go in depth with getting every corner, every crack, really try to spin in rotation with the way that my skin is laying. Try to be mindful of breakouts, be sensitive and extra gentle in them areas. I try to spin in all one rotation just so it can ease the irritation up to my skin. Since I am using a towel, I am patting my face dry since it is a bit rougher. Again, trying to be cautious and being sensitive to your skin. It really matters. Now I'm going in with my Pixie Glow Toner. I live by this stuff. I use it every day, day and night. Even if I don't do my full facial routine, that glycolic acid is to die for. If your wipe not clean, then baby, you're not green and you need to do it again. But no, for real, you really want your face wipe when you're done to be clean when you wipe it off. Next, we're going to go in with these Dr. Dennis Alpha Beta pills. These are a game changer, okay? I'm not even kidding. It comes in 2 steps. One for exfoliant and smooth, and then the other one is for anti-aging. Look, these changed my life, okay? It's fighting all the bacteria underneath the skin, and it's also clearing all those dead cells away. It got my skin tone even, my skin texture smooth, and I am just glowing. It's a bit pricey, but I'm telling you, it is worth it. Run. I wait about 30 seconds before going in with the second towelette, which is for anti-aging, and it kind of neutralizes what it does. It neutralizes the first package. The first package does sting a little bit when you're done, but the second package neutralizes it and cool it right away. Invest in that skin, sis. Then we got our Up and Up 10% benzoyl peroxide. This have fought away all those tiny little bumps, surface bumps, micro bumps, any bumps. I kid you not, if you put this on your face, your bump will be gone tomorrow. Put that on me. You only need just a little bit on the areas needed. I promise you the first time I went crazy and I regretted it. Just pat it on in and voila. Next, we got that Nivea cream. This my homegirl. This my sis. This my friend. This my friend right here. As you see, I'm patting it into my skin because I noticed that it absorbs better for me. Again, I have dry skin, so this is me finding other ways to gain my moisture. So I just like to pat that on and really let it absorb in there. I like to let all my layers kind of marinate before I build onto the next one. Next, we got the Young Fade cream. I use this to try to fade any black marks I may come from scarring or acne or even, dark eyes around my mouth area. Just any dark area, baby. Get your neck, get your back, whatever is dark, gets it. This vitamin C serum was a new pickup, but just from a few days that I had it, I have been glowing. Like, it's been a natural glow, so even like after hours, it's still there. Vitamin C helps brighten your skin so it fades the hyperpigmentation, so you're going to get even clear results. and it reduces redness. Next is this bio oil. I'm sure plenty of people are already onto this, but I'm new to it. I'm sure it's many others like me that's new, but it works wonders. It fades scars, them dark marks. Again, we're talking about from acne and other things. And last but not least, we're going to top it off with some Mario Badescu Rose Water. I have some Nivea lip repair and some good old-fashioned car mats. You can modify this routine however you want. At nighttime when you're going to bed, you can add a lip mask that you can wear overnight, or during the daytime when you're going out, you want to apply a layer of sunscreen. You want to find what works for you. Invest in that skin, sis. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you guys for visiting my page.